Tēnā koutou, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm at one of my favouriteest places to go on a rainy day. It's MOTAT. MOTAT stands for Museum of Transport and Technology. But have you guys ever seen a train before? Check this thing out. Oh, it's like a train, but they used to drive on the streets. Oh, it's so cool. We're gonna check out some more of MOTAT today. Let's go. This is my favourite room in the whole museum. Welcome to the Machine Maker's room. Oh, let's build a bridge. First, we've got to start with this. Good. Tahi, 1. Rua, 2. Toru, 3. 4. And the most important one, the one that makes the bridge strong, is a wedge. Rima, 5. Do you think it's going to be able to hold my weight? Let's check it out. Oh, here we go. Oh. Whoa. That's so cool. It's so strong, eh? That's heaps of fun. Let's go to the next one. Come on. Oh, I'm flying. Whoa. Let's go. Whoa. Check this out. This is a big-ass cylinder. And this cylinder has a secret. It can roll around too. Check this out. Whoa. Ka kite whānau.